Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have another pin tumbler lock for you, this time an ASSA 5-pin lock. I think it's a ASSA 500. Here's the keyway, has quite some use to it, but still works fine. Here's the key, quite extreme bitting, and yeah, for 5 pins this is quite some work to pick actually. So I hope to get it picked on camera today. Yeah, let's see about it. Get it in a vise. And get you focused. Maybe we can just turn a bit more up, huh? Like this. So yeah, I already showed the key working. Tension from here. And since the keyway is quite wide open, I will start with a short hook in 0.6 millimeters. And yeah, let's see where this goes. So 1. Okay. It's a bit hard to get around the bends with this pick. So just pick on the very beginning with it. No, I of course hit this one. Okay, let's try to get a steeper hook in there in 0.5 millimeters. This you also have to turn a little bit, but it looks quite nice. No, that's clearly overset, sorry. But with the steep hook you cannot get to the back in the beginning, so I tend to use the short hook first to pick a bit on the pins. The pins must be tapered or so, otherwise I cannot explain the behavior of the lock. So let's see. Okay, 1 is now set nicely. Skip 2, right on 3, click there, 4, good click on 5. Let's go back to the front. 1 is still fine, 2 is fine, 3, now some clicks on 3, maybe set, 4, click, 5, another click, okay, 1, okay, 2 is also okay, 3 feels good, 4 maybe okay as well. Let's try to find 5 really. It always hides in the wording at the end. Okay, some clicks there. 1 is fine, 2 is fine, 3 is fine, 4 seems fine. Where's 5? There. Found it. Nice. So since this is a double euro, I will not relock it. Let's remove the C-clip now. Okay, finally. Let's get a pinning tray. Pinning shoe. And it comes right off. Now you see the bitting. Some serrations in there. Let's look at that in the end. Let's have a look at the drivers first. Tweezers. Oh. Okay. No. Classic, I think. ASSA barrel. 2, 3, 5. Steel spring. Okay, another one of these ASSA barrels. And yeah, another one. Ah, a very tiny one. Spring is going to come out. There we go. No, this one was mastered. Okay, I leave the spring in there, I think. Oh no, I have it. Okay. No modifications to the Bible. Okay. Should quickly have a look at the core actually. How effective these are. I always find this a bit interesting. And then you can also see why they have different length, I guess. Yeah, so this almost gives a straight line, right? And yeah, you can see what part of the driver is actually active. Oh, sorry. Well, with this one, just the short part. But with these, you start in the flat bit in the middle, and then it's almost like a spool, and then this lip comes in. Really nice. I think this is why you have to revisit them so often. Can I actually remove this wafer? Let's check quickly. Whoop. No. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, something's wrong. I messed up. There was another driver here, master wafer. And this goes in 2, and I actually can remove this one here. Cool. Oh, now get the pins out. Okay, these are all standard. Okay. Oh, quite a long video already, so keep that short. Yeah, anyhow, these are the pins. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.